Good day, everyone. Today I will be talking about good agricultural practice or GAP, a set of principles that guide farmers to produce food in a safe, sustainable, and environmental friendly way. GAP is not just about growing crops, it's about how we grow them, making sure the process benefits both people and the planet. What is GAP? Ensuring food safety, environmental sustainability, and farmer welfare. Covers soil preparation, planting, irrigation, pest control, harvesting, and post-harvest handling. Good agricultural practice aim to keep food safe for consumers, ensuring farming is environmental sustainability, improve farmer welfare by increasing productivity and income. It covers all parts of farming from preparing the soil, planting, watering, pest control, and harvesting to how crops are stored and handled after harvest. Why gap matter in modern farming? Protect consumer health. Reduce contamination from chemical and unsafe handling improves farm productivity. Through efficiency resource use increase farmer income via better quality produce and reduce losses. In a modern farming, GAP is very important because it protects consumer health by reducing harmful chemicals and contamination in food. It improves farm productivity through proper planning and efficient use of resources. It increases farmer income because high quality product can be sold for better price and there is less waste. Why gap matter for the environment? Conserves natural resources. Efficiency water use prevent over-fertilization, reduce pollution from harmful waste, and runoff protects biodiversity and support crop diversity. So, ang gap also is nag-help siya ginaprotektahan niya ang environment by conserving natural resources, especially water and soil. Reducing pollution from harmful farm waste and chemical runoff into rivers and lakes. Protecting diversity, which means keeping a healthy variety of plants, animals, and insects in our farm. So the last one is conclusion. In short, GAP is essential for a farming system that is safe, healthy, and sustainable. When farmers follow GAP, we need safe food, healthier communities, and cleaner environment. Safe food, healthy people, and a sustainable planet all start with a good agricultural practice.